Today I'm going to teach you how to upgrade versions of Elementor, whether you're looking to access new features, improve performance, or simply keep your site secure. Knowing how to manage Elementor's versions is essential for maintaining a smooth WordPress experience. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in using your credentials. Once you're in, take a moment to ensure you're on the main dashboard screen where you can see all your site's core functions laid out before you. Next, look over to the left sidebar menu and locate the option labeled Plugins, click on it, and from the submenu that appears, select Installed Plugins. This will bring up a comprehensive list of all the plugins currently active or installed on your WordPress site. It's from this list that we'll be managing Elementor's version. Now scroll through your plugin list until you find Elementor. Once you've located it, take a look directly under the plugin title. Here you'll see its current version displayed. This information is crucial as it tells you exactly which version you're running. If there's an update available, WordPress will typically display a notification right there in the plugin row. When you see an update notification, simply click the Update Now button that appears next to Elementor. This action will initiate the automatic update process, and WordPress will handle the rest. After clicking Update Now, you might be prompted with an Update Details screen. If this appears, go ahead and confirm the update by clicking Update Elementor. This confirmation step ensures that you're intentionally updating the plugin and not triggering any accidental changes. The update process usually takes just a few moments, so be patient while WordPress downloads and installs the latest version. However, if no automatic update shows up in your plugin list, don't worry. There's another way to manage Elementor's versions. Navigate to Elementor in your dashboard menu, then click on Tools. From the Tools section, select the Version Control tab. This feature gives you more granular control over which version of Elementor you want to run. In the Version Control tab, you'll see a drop-down menu displaying various versions of Elementor. Select the desired version from this drop-down, depending on what version you are using or need to switch to. Once you've made your selection, click Reinstall. This will download and install the specific version you've chosen. Finally, make sure to click Save Changes to confirm and apply your version selection. And there you have it. You've successfully upgraded or changed the version of Elementor on your WordPress site. This process ensures you're always running the version that best suits your needs and keeps your website functioning optimally. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.